Hi friends! Today we are going to learn about household chores. Chores are the little jobs we do to help keep our home clean. Let's see what we can do. Mop the floor. I mop the floor every day. Fold the laundry. I help my mom fold the laundry. Take out the trash. Every night, I take out the trash to the bin. Wash the dishes. My sister washes the dishes after dinner. Clean the table. He cleans the table after eating. Dust the furniture. On Saturday, I dust the furniture. Pick up the toys. I pick up the toys and put them away. Make the bed. Every morning I make my bed. Vacuum the floor. She vacuums the floor to keep it clean. Set the table. We set the table before it's time to eat. Iron the clothes. My mom irons my clothes. Cook the meal. We help to cook the meals. Do the laundry. We can do the laundry. Water the plants. Don't forget to water the plants. They need care, too.
Review.
Mop the floor. Fold the laundry. Take out the trash. Wash the dishes. Clean the table. Dust the furniture. Pick up the toys. Make the bed. Vacuum the floor. Set the table. Iron the clothes. Cook the meal. Do the laundry. Water the plants. Great job! Helping at home is fun and makes us responsible. Which chores do you like to do? Remember, working together makes our home a happy place. Thanks for watching.